Okay, so hello, this is Awesome Tiger. This is going to be the most amazing bottle pop in the world. Do you even know how to do it? Just get a plain, empty plastic water bottle. That's all you need. So first, you just gotta twist it as much as you can. You can't twist it, just fold it as much as you can, and that should do the trick. And then tiny open, and that's what happens. It'll also make a big pop. But since this is a YouTube video, right? You probably didn't hear. So, this one's done, right? So now you've seen just a plain air explosion, right? Now, get one that has half water. And that should make a water explosion with water that's added the explosion. So same thing. Once I remove it, water will explode. Please do not do this in front of a camera and keep away from smoke line. And that's the trick. It should make a big skirt. Would it have been better if I did this with the camera? And let's do that again. Okay, that really did a big explosion. Look at those drops on the floor. Look at them all. So, if you're wondering how that happened, it's because all the pressure is imitating and getting more and more every single time you bend it without escaping, right? So now it only escapes. And it can't do the explosion, right? But with the bottle cap closed, it has, but once you open it, it just boom! Like explodes it super fast because there's so much pressure in it. That's exactly why there's all this water and air coming out. And let's watch that again. If you are interested to watch it and try. If you aren't, then don't. Wait, no. One important thing. Look at this. This bottle cap fits. Do you know why? Because it's all the way spinned around, right? But for some other bottle caps like this, they aren't like that. They have like these small holes in it. So don't use that, because then the pressure will always escape. Every single time. And it won't make such a big explosion. Well, please like and subscribe. That was a massive explosion. Now try that yourself and see the difference with water and air and see which one you like better. Then just do whatever you like better. Not just you want, and I probably like water better, like that. So bye!